everyone, it's Rylynn here from Sena, and today we are going to go over a crucial topic: how to properly measure your head so that you can get the correct fit for a Sena helmet. Whether you're upgrading, replacing, or looking to get your very first helmet, getting the correct fit is crucial for comfort and safety. So let's get into it. Most of our helmets have a DOT and ECE certification. Now, with all of the tips and tricks that we show you in today's video, it applies just the same no matter the safety certification. Sena offers a range of helmet styles, including full face, modular, open face, and half helmets to suit your personal riding preference and style. But regardless of the helmet style that you choose, the tips that you learned today in this video will apply to all of our helmet styles. Our helmets are made to fit the intermediate oval head shape because it's ideal for most average head shapes. The intermediate oval fits longer front to back with a more narrower fit on the sides, and it's most common in the US markets. To find the correct helmet size, first let's learn how to measure our head. Take a soft measuring tape and wrap it around the widest part of your head, about an inch above your eyebrows and around the back, just above your ears. Keep it snug, but not tight. Make sure it's level all the way around. It's best practice to have a friend help to ensure accurate measurements. You can measure in centimeters or in inches. Then, find your measurements on our size chart and find the correct size. Once you get your helmet, go ahead and try it on for 30 minutes to an hour before you go on any rides to make sure that it fits snug around the crown and there are no uncomfortable pressure points. If you've opted for a full face helmet, make sure it fits the cheeks nice and snug. You should have chipmunk cheeks, or it should be uncomfortable to chew a piece of gum. Now, if you've been wearing it for an hour and it's still comfortable, congrats! That means you found the perfect fitting helmet. If you have any technical questions, feel free to reach out to technical support by clicking the link down below. If you want to see our sizing chart, head over to Sena.com, click on the helmet of your choice, and click Learn More to find our sizing guide. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to catch you next time.
Connected.